it's Rockafeller. This is Weasley, and this is our first ever reaction video. We don't know how this thing's gonna go, and we're gonna start with one of the best because I am a Tom fan, and Nova, everyone's been telling me how she's a great rapper, and I listened to her song yesterday, and it's really amazing. So I'm gonna start with the best, Novarockafeller. I've been having a little issue with her courses, to be honest. Somehow I kind of think it's too heavy. I don't know if you feel me, but we'll see. Let's go.
Took the knife out of back and she cut through her wrist. Everything hurt, didn't want to exist. She was faded and lost, she became the abyss. I was born in the blood with the name on my lips. Screaming, what all of you want from me? Y'all don't even know Novally. I'm back for everything they stole from me. Stop telling me who I'm supposed to be. They want broke Nova, they want sad Nova. They want all the smoke until I rap Nova. They want cute Nova, they want bad Nova. They want all the things they can't.
To be honest, as someone who played the drums, it's so amazing. I like when people is going with that flow. It's like ba-dum, and I don't know. Every drummer is like dreaming right now. Like, I don't know. It's just amazing. And I saw her eyes. They're like freaking white, and just looking. It's like I don't think it's her natural eyes. I think every time they do that thing, it's just like to show that they're actually different. It's like they're in another level. Like I remember when Tom did that, like with the Sorry song, with which I really like. It's like her eyes went dark and this dude starts spitting out of nowhere, and just like, I don't know. It's just their way of showing that their greatness, how they've evolved. They're not the same person anymore. So let's keep going.
Have Nova, I'm a new Nova, I'm a rich Nova, I'm a start a fire, key, a whip Nova. I'm the same Nova, I'm insane Nova. You won't ever change Nova. I'm a grave digger, I'm a flamethrower, I'm a pretty with no makeover. I'm a diamond chain around a violent brain, trying to hide the pain before it takes over. It ain't safe, y'all ain't built for how I'm made. I'm constructed from destruction, you can't build me till it breaks. Hey you, do you like me now? Are you in love?
I like that chorus. It's not as heavy. Like, I don't think there's that many instruments in it too, and I like it.
With somebody I was. Hey you, do you see me round and hate the person that I become? Hey you, do you like my style? I stole it from somebody I killed. Hey you, do you like my smile? I got it from the blood that I spilled. I was a young Nova, real dumb Nova. Pull up at your house with a gun Nova. Now I'm grown Nova, brought a home Nova. Planting money trees, watch me grow Nova. With a cold shoulder, gotta know Nova. Whole squad, I'm a lone soldier, and I've grown older to a smart Nova. And I'm only taking money to the heart Nova. I'm a supernova, money stupid Nova. Get a bag and never lose it Nova. I'm slim Nova, I'm woo Nova. Kill the old me, I'm the true Nova. It ain't safe, I'm too real for all these fakes. Y'all constructed without something they gave me when I was made. Hey you, do you like me now? Are you in love with somebody I was? Hey you, do you see me round and hate the person that I become? Hey you, do you like my style? I stole it from somebody I killed. Hey you, do you like my smile? I got it from the blood that I spilled. Do you know what? No one will catch you when you fall. Pick yourself up off the bathroom floor. You hadn't lost it all. Do you know what? Pick your phone up when they call. Learn to choke back all the tears and in that place just smiling on.
Hey, how are you doing? I'm good.
Hey you, do you like me now? Are you in love?
I like that thing. I like it. I really like it, and the whole color thing. It's like, I don't know. It's like when Tom did it, it's like some demon side. It's like I'm not the same person. I'm like different and stuff. and she's like the rich Nova and stuff. And remember, we gotta flex on those haters, bro. Gotta flex on them. Yeah. So yeah, okay. I think I should.
With somebody I was. Hey you, do you see me around and hate the person that I become? Hey you, do you like my style? I stole it from somebody I killed. Hey you, do you like my smile? I got it from the blood that I spilled.
Dang, I really like it when they be shout out each other like that. Like when on Tom songs be like by Nova and Nova songs be like by Tom and stuff. And sorry, I'm actually watching some cars passing by too. So I like the way they actually shouting each other's out. That's actually a really smart way. And I think that's actually a relationship goals. It's like you guys gotta be pushing each other, not just waiting for others to be pushing you, or do you like not waiting for labels or whatever. Like my label is my boyfriend, or my label is, it's like the way she's doing. It's like it's really smart and motivational. I really like it, and I think she's independent now too. And Tom is also like independent, as you know, and yeah, that's a really great video and a really great first video. So no, that's you guys. Please comment below. Tell me what song should I do next, because that's my first time, and if I don't know.